Hi, it's Liz from the Port Moody Public Library, and I'm back with another episode of Bite-Sized Coding Time. Now today we'll be talking about sharing and remixing your projects. You've probably heard us mention to share your project in our video comments if you'd like. So what does that mean? Now when you share a project with everybody on Scratch, that means that they can not only view your project, but they can also remix it and save it for future use in a studio. So to share a project, it's very simple. All you have to do is, if you haven't already, log into your account and go to your My Stuff folder. Now once you've brought up your projects under My Stuff, all you have to do is find the project that you want to share, click on the name or title of that project, and it'll bring up your project page. Now, as you can see in the top right-hand corner under my username, there is an orange share button. So all I have to do is click on it. And my project is now shared. Pretty simple, right? So when you're sharing a project, don't forget to add instructions on how somebody can use your project or what your project is intended to do. And also give a note or credit if applicable, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. Now, if I change my mind about sharing a project, if I decide that I don't want it to be public view anymore, and that means that people can search for your project by name or by your username, then all I have to do is go back into My Stuff folder, and at the project that I do not want to share anymore, there is now an unshare link. So if I click on that, now we can see that my project has been unshared successfully. Now on to remixes. So what does it mean when you remix a project? Well, remixing is taking a project that somebody else has done and making your own modifications to it to put your own spin on it. So on the Port Moody Library account, there's a project that I quite like, and it is the Pooping Bird game. So the object of this game is to poop on cars as they drive by. And I'd like to put my own spin on this game. Now I am currently logged into my own Scratch account, and this is a game by the Port Moody Public Library. Now I have found this game, and I want to remix it. So now that I am on the project page, there is a green remix button. So it's as easy as clicking on remix, and let's see what happens. So now, by clicking the remix button, what that's done is that it's created a copy of this game in My Stuff. And we can see by the default title, it's Pooping Bird Remix. Now I can make any changes that I want to this game, and they'll be saved as a remix. Now, because this was originally created by the Port Moody Public Library, I'd like to give them credit. If we go back to the project page, this is where those notes and credits come in. So it's always nice to say thank you to the user who originally created the game. So I can type in, thanks to Homo Library for the original version of this game. And there we have it. We've got sharing and remixing, which is super easy to do and also a fun way to connect to other Scratch users. Thanks for watching today's episode. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below this video. And if you'd like to share your project with us, be sure to copy and paste the link to your project as well under the comments. Happy coding, and bye for now.